Welcome, you're about to explore some of the most exciting and high-demand career opportunities in technology. This session is hosted by Vijay Computer Academy, a trusted global IT training provider with more than 34 years of experience helping beginners and career changers build successful careers in tech. Now, let me ask you, does any of this sound familiar? Are you looking for a new career in tech? Maybe you're a career changer, an absolute beginner, or someone re-entering the workforce. Perhaps you're unemployed, laid off, or a recent graduate who isn't confident about your skills. You could even be a veteran, or someone without a college degree. If you said yes to any of these, then this session is for you. We have designed it especially for people who are curious about tech but don't know where to begin. We are living in the digital era. Technology isn't optional anymore, it runs everything: healthcare, finance, retail, education, government, you name it. Every organization needs people who can manage data, protect systems, analyze information, or make sure software works correctly. And here is the exciting part: IT careers are in high demand everywhere. Companies are desperately searching for skilled professionals. That is why salaries are competitive, career growth is rapid, and opportunities are global. And yes, many tech roles let you work remotely or in hybrid setups, giving you flexibility to design your lifestyle. But here is the challenge most people face. You may already have a degree, but employers say you don't have the specific, job-ready tech skills they need. Or maybe you never studied IT at all, and you're worried it's too late to start. The good news? You do not need to spend years in college or rack up huge debt. What you need is targeted, practical training that gives you the right skills for the roles employers are hiring for, today, not 10 years ago. Let's talk about where those opportunities are. Based on industry reports, the top 4 in-demand IT careers for 2025 are data analytics, cybersecurity, database administration, software testing. Think of data analysts as detectives. They collect and clean raw information, then turn it into insights that help businesses make smart decisions. For example, a retailer might ask, which products are selling best this season? A hospital might ask, how can we reduce patient wait times? Analysts answer these questions using tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Tableau. Entry-level salaries often start around $60,000, and you can grow into roles in business, finance, healthcare, or marketing. Every day, hackers attack systems, steal data, and disrupt companies. Cybersecurity professionals are the defenders. They detect and stop attacks, secure networks and applications, and respond when something goes wrong. With jobs projected to grow over 35% by 2031, the shortage of cybersecurity talent is massive. Roles include cybersecurity support technician, security analyst, or even ethical hacker. And salaries? Very rewarding, with endless opportunities worldwide. Databases are the heart of every organization. Imagine the millions of patient records in a hospital, or customer transactions in a bank. Database administrators are the guardians of this data. They install, configure, and maintain systems like Oracle and SQL Server, making sure information is secure, backed up, and accessible only to the right people. Salaries start around $60,000, and with experience, you could become a database architect or cloud DBA. Software testing. Before an application reaches your phone or a website goes live, someone has to test it. That's what software testers do. They find bugs, make sure features work smoothly, and ensure the user has a great experience. With tools like Selenium, Jira, and TestRail, QA testers play a crucial role in software development. Entry-level salaries range between $55,000 and $70,000, with growth into both manual and automation testing. The beauty is, you don't have to pick now. As you learn, you'll discover which career path excites you most. Now, hearing all this might feel overwhelming. You may be thinking, okay, these careers sound great, but where do I even start? That's where Vijay Computer Academy comes in. For over 34 years, VCA has helped absolute beginners, people just like you, build the exact skills employers are looking for. And you don't need any prior IT knowledge. We meet you where you are and guide you step by step. Our training is delivered in live, instructor-led online bootcamps. That means real teachers, real interaction, real support, not just pre-recorded videos. We offer 4 focused programs: Data Analytics Bootcamp 240 hours covering Excel, Advanced Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and reporting. Cybersecurity Bootcamp 150 hours covering IT security foundations, threat detection, compliance, and hands-on defense skills. Database Administration Bootcamp 90 hours covering Oracle, SQL fundamentals, database management, and security. Software Testing Bootcamp 240 hours covering manual and automation testing, tools, and quality management. Each bootcamp is practical, beginner-friendly, and aligned to industry-recognized certifications. So, why should you choose Vijay Computer Academy? Because we make learning IT simple, flexible, and supportive. Our programs are designed for complete beginners, no prior experience required. Every class is taught live by expert instructors, so you can interact, ask questions, and feel confident that you're really understanding the material. Since all of our training is online, you can learn from anywhere and fit it into your lifestyle. And we make sure cost isn't a barrier, with affordable tuition, payment plans, and even scholarships like WIOA for eligible U.S. students. Most importantly, our class sizes are small, so you'll always get the personal attention and guidance you need to succeed. And what truly makes VCA stand out? It's our track record. We've been training students since 1990, over 34 years of proven experience. Our alumni span the globe, working in leading industries and showing what's possible with the right guidance. Our curriculum is always updated to match what employers demand today and in the years ahead. That means you'll be learning skills that companies are actively hiring for, not outdated theories. We also prepare you for industry-recognized certifications that give your resume an extra edge. And above all, our training is hands-on and career-focused. You won't just learn concepts, you'll practice them, and be ready to apply your skills on the job. At VCA, our commitment to you doesn't end when the class does. We go beyond training to make sure you have the tools and guidance to succeed in the job market. We'll connect you with resources to explore remote and work-from-home opportunities. Through our partnerships, you'll get support in searching for entry-level roles and even pathways to apprenticeships or internships. Think of us as more than a school. We're your partner in building a career, not just gaining a certificate. Now, let's talk about tuition, because we know cost is often a big concern. First, our programs are already budget-friendly compared to the global market, and we make it even easier with flexible payment options. You can pay in full, set up easy monthly installments, or choose our Learn Now, Pay Later financing, which spreads payments over time with no hidden fees. For students in the U.S., there's also a fantastic opportunity: tuition assistance through the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, or WIOA. If you're eligible, WIOA can cover up to 100% of your training costs. Please note that we do not decide on eligibility or funding. What we do is guide you step by step through the application process and can communicate with your local career counselor on your behalf to help speed things up. Enrolling is simple. Step 1. Schedule a discovery call with our admissions team. This is your chance to ask questions, learn more about the bootcamp that interests you, and discuss tuition options. Step 2. Fill in the online enrollment form. Step 3. Choose your payment method, whether that's full payment with discounts, monthly installments, or WIOA scholarship support. Once that's set, you'll receive your class Zoom link and complete your enrollment agreement. And just like that, you're on your way to beginning your IT career with VCA. And if you're still unsure or need more details, we're just a call, text, or WhatsApp message away. You can also fill out our inquiry form online, and one of our team members will reach out to help. Remember, this isn't just about signing up for a program. It's about taking the first step into a career that can transform your future. We're here to support you, answer your questions, and guide you on your journey into tech.